I'm just on 107.9. There's nothing coming in right now, but 107.5 is KVBH out of San Antonio. Kicks 108 came in for 1 second out of Victoria. I'm stepping away from the window so I don't get hit by lightning. The power went out earlier, so that's why it says 12:13. When really it is, here's the right time. 6:54 p.m. .105.9 is playing the quiet game. There's no audio. Just to prove there's no audio, see I'm turning up the volume, no sounds coming up. See, 105.9. See my fake 103.9 also has no audio. Convenient how it stops raining as soon as I start filming.